All right, y'all. One Shot Johnny here. I'm back doing stuff. Got this new chop saw right here because I can't cut a straight line with a skill saw to save my life. I'm no carpenter, that's for sure. So today I think I'm going to try and build a little portable wood ramp, so you could ride up, so you can hit a little jump, we can go down, and then we can ride up on the little ramp and then back down, and then we'll just kind of keep building stuff and turn my little yard into a mountain bike park. Stuff that I can pull out of my garage and put out here. Seems like something to do, something fun, and can try and test my carpentry skills. So without further ado, let me try and figure out what the heck I'm gonna do here. And there you go, little wood bridge made of solid wood construction. Nothing but the finest jank around here. And that is how we jank it up with Johnny when you're building a portable wood mountain biking bridge. Pretty cool. Let's check it out. A little steep right there, a little bump up on there. It's a little short, but that's so we can move it around and put it wherever we want and mess around with it. Seems like it's gonna work. You just go bloop. All right, and that's that. Let's try it out. I'm guessing we'll go put it over there in the yard and roll around. Not as easy as you think. See, something to needs skills. Something that needs some skills, I guess. Let's keep trying here. Hey! Janking it up with Johnny, that's how I roll. So this is the JB1, Janky Bridge 1. This is the first feature, bridge feature. Hit that, over to the old ramp, and there we go. It's got a little bit of a wobble, but it'll work. Digging the yard ramp session. Pretty fun around here. Wait till we start building the trail across the street. Over there. Some more ramps in here. Jumping through trees. Pretty fun. Takes a little bit of skill, but that's what these things are for. Stuff to practice on around and mess around in the yard. So that's that. That is the portable mountain bike bridge.